So yeah, I am now in the Dovre Mountains, and since I have some free time now, I figure I can make a little video. You see, many of you guys have been asking me the same questions over and over again, so why not just reply to them right here? And instead of watching me, I can show you nice video of Norwegian winter. Yeah, so here we go. The first question is, did she say yes? Did Amory say yes? Well, you see, Amory and I, we already agreed beforehand that we were going to marry. So the whole marriage proposal was just formality. So I think it was kind of cute to make a video like that instead of, you know, going to a nice restaurant like most people would do. Okay, next question is charging free? Well, charging on Tesla superchargers is free and will always be free. We already paid for the price to charge, and Elon Musk himself, he said that it will always be free forever. So when Elon says something, he means it. When it comes to public charging and other places, I would say that about 99% of charging in Norway at least is free. There are a few paid chargers, but those are primarily CHAdeMO chargers. But there are still a few CHAdeMO chargers which are free, but more and more CHAdeMO, they are starting to charge them. So that's another advantage, by the way, to get the Type 2 cable and dual chargers, because if you have a dual charger, you can get 22 kilowatt charging speed, and the 22 kilowatt charging stations, they are much cheaper to set up, which means companies or people who set them up, they most likely won't charge money for it, because it's kind of cheap anyway compared to CHAdeMO, which is a off-board charger. It's like 20 or 30 times more expensive. Okay, next question is, why do you still use TomTom? TomTom offers functionality that at this moment Tesla's navigation can't, which means, let's see, what is it? Speed cameras. Yeah, you don't have that on Tesla. And waypoints, let's say you want to navigate from A to B, but you want to visit a city on the way. That is not possible on Tesla. I do it all the time on TomTom. And then you have a point of interest, which is kind of useful. Let's say you want to find a gas station, a restaurant, or whatever. I still use Google in combination with TomTom though, because sometimes Google will find what I don't find in TomTom. Let's see, I can't remember other useful things. Well, and a small thing though is that the TomTom is mounted on the windshield, which means the navigation is closer to my viewing point. So I don't have to move my eyes too much, so that's another advantage. Now, moving on to the next question. What is your job? I work as a Scala programmer at the University of Oslo. Scala is a language which is similar to Java, but it's more mature than Java. So one of the advantages of Scala is that if you have like 100 lines of code to do something in Java, you can probably write 20 lines in Scala to do the exact same thing. It has like implicit declarations and implicit conversions, and pretty much less code to do the same thing. Yeah. And the last question for today is, how can you afford a Tesla? You see, in Norway, there are heavy taxes on cars. So a regular, let's say, BMW 5 Series or a Mercedes E-Class or a Audi A6, like premium class, they are pretty much as expensive as a Tesla is. If it wasn't for the heavy taxes, those cars would probably cost half that price. So which means in Norway, you know, established people, they can afford a Tesla. And the running cost on Tesla is so low that if Norwegians realize how inexpensive it is to own a Tesla, there would be a lot of Teslas here. Yeah, that completes the frequently asked questions for this time. So maybe I'll put up another one if you guys like it.